one in Lagos.
That's what they do for Lagos.
Come if you are hype and I be a back up this thing. I don't do something now.
That's why
I just follow the frustrated so effort.
No, we did.
I bring that like.
This thing makes sense. So.
Don't know to spend money tonight. Just bring that like. You know, I don't too greedy. I don't too greedy. So let's do like.
Off that free.
I mean, we did 1, 2, 3, 4.
Off the AC in that part.
Yeah, that's the thing they back. Okay.
10 people.
Classic bowling. We can do something like it's $1 million too much.
You want killer?
It's $1 million too much.
So make I bring 1 million naira and I'm going to go table.
See, apart from my 15 million.
No, actually. It's about to go table. Then I bring 1 million. Let me tell you.
Calm down. No. Oluchi, I thought that the 1 million. For inside 1 million, they will give Oluchi 500,000.
Why?
Oluchi,
come over. See you. There's a good news for you.
They want to kill me. They want to kill me for you.
You know 500,000.
There's no fuel.
You know 500,000.
We go there here like that with that.
You know 500,000. You know where they dash you money? End of the year gift.
So, Bosali, ladies and gentlemen, Bosali say make I bring. Why? It's part of waiting. Why everybody I did this food? They call it guinea fowl creamy pasta.
So you don't share the latest guys,
my dear. My dear. I feel make I learn. Make I not go travel out again. They disgrace everybody.
I see my
leave. I tell you. I said make I learn small.
Just cover this matter of flex.
We will go Burna Boy show tomorrow. No, we go. No. We'll go Burna Boy show tomorrow.
So now the show one is wash the car.
Hey, they wash car.
Not water.
So wash car, not to carry stuff, you carry water, dust, cook down. You wash it. No wash the car.
What other one? You don't listen. Just not your come and go to something.
This is grand homecoming. Omo, Ijele Masquerade is also welcoming Chizzy home. Are you guys seeing that? Guys, this is grand homecoming. So for those of you that are in the comment section talking about what I don't know, See, this is how Anambra people do, okay? So try and be calming down before your blood pressure will be high. Welcome home, Chizzy. Welcome home, Chizzy. No, na laben nagi. Welcome home, Chizzy. Chizzy don't cause traffic for Anambra State. Chizzy don't cause traffic. So if you're going Chizzy's route right now, my dear, go back because traffic is too much. Chizzy don't cause traffic on the 31st of December 2022. I love it. Like, I love the time he's coming home. This is huge. This is massive. This is how we do, okay? I'm also from Anambra, so I know what I'm saying. The Ijele masquerade is also there. Ijele masquerade. This is presidential homecoming. Oh my God. As you all know, Phyna didn't make it again. She couldn't make it again. So she had to, stay back. But I saw Fam Savvy. I've not seen Groovy yet, but I think, Groovy will also be there. So, like I said, if you are going Chizzy's route, my brother, my sister, go back. Hold up, go hold you. You know, go feel come out. See Moto lining up. Some people will be like, what is going on? Our president, they come. Look at that cuties. You see what's going on right now in Anambra State, Nigeria, somewhere in Anambra State, okay? Not my own town, but somewhere in Anambra State. See Faf, where don't Tom Moto safe. You loving. See the way our women are. Camera person waiting now. Sorry, hope your phone did not break. Sorry, my dear. That's it. Oh, that's part of your job. Sorry, my dear. Okay, I think where did he enter? The camera person is running, trying to catch up with Chizzy. Or maybe they went to their King's Palace. Maybe they went to the King's Palace for the king to bless him, touch his head. Okay, I think that's what they are doing. Ijele masquerade, not be small masquerade, be that so. This is grand homecoming. Hope you guys have seen all the people that came to welcome Chizzy. See all the issues, the chiefs of his hometown. Can you guys see them? You guys are seeing them, right? Yes, that's how it's done, my dear. So make you know they complain too much, okay? Stop complaining. The homecoming of our rider with a ride. This time around, our rider came home with Obonge ride.